everybody, welcome to Magnolia Science Lab. Today we're going to be doing an experiment with food dye, water and glasses. Do you think this can make sound? I predict all the glasses are going to make a unique sound. And remember, every time you're doing the science experiment, you always have to add on it. That's why my mummy's helping me. Hi, Mummy.
Hi.
First, we pour the food dye, just one drop, one. Okay, so I'll just get some water, put up in the glass. It might take a bit of time to make some sound.
Ooh.
It's making some sound. It sounds cool. Okay, let's go to the next one. Oh, that's a cool sound. Let's go to the next one now. Oh, that's a good one. Ooh, that was good. Okay, let's go to the next one. That's good. That one made a quiet noise. You can kind of hear that one. That was a cool one. That was good. My observation is they all make different sounds. Some are high-pitched sounds and some are low-pitched sounds. This is not part of the experiment, but I picked my favorite glass because it's the loudest. Now it sounds like a cat.
Maybe go the other way.
Oh yeah. Now it sounds like a zipper.